Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Brooksville local and long-distance movers near me. When you choose 3 Movers for your local move, you can expect reliable service and attention to detail. Our experienced movers are well-versed in navigating the city's streets, ensuring that your belongings reach their destination safely and on time. We prioritize the protection of your possessions and take extra care when handling fragile items. Our local movers are ready to make your move a pleasant and memorable experience. Our Brooksville long-distance 3 Movers understands the challenges involved in long-distance moves, including logistics, timing, and safely transporting your belongings. We employ advanced packing techniques and high-quality materials to secure your items during the journey. With 3 Movers, you can have peace of mind knowing that your possessions are in good hands. Additionally, we offer competitive pricing options to fit your budget, tailored to the distance and size of your move. Our certified and insured movers are committed to providing excellent service, ensuring that every step of your long-distance move is handled carefully and efficiently. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Brooksville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.